Hello learners. In this video we will understand how to implement search engine optimization with Zoe, who is a baker, uses SEO techniques to increase the visibility on the search engine. Let's start. In a small town called Websville, Zoe, a baker with a love for sharing recipes, had started her baking blog. But there was one problem. Nobody could find her blog on Google. She needed a way to make her blog visible. Then she starts learning SEO and starts implementing it with her blog. SEO is like a treasure map. Zoe's blog is a treasure, but without SEO, people couldn't find it. SEO helps Google and other search engines show your content to the right people. Zoe learned that SEO is a step-by-step process. Let's see how she did it. Step 1. First, Zoe looked up words people often search for online. These words, called keywords, help connect her blog to people searching for baking advice. She picked popular but less competitive keywords like simple cupcake recipes. For this she uses keyword tools like Google Keyword Planner, Answer the Public, Google Trends, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, SEMrush and lot more. Step 2. Next, Zoe added these keywords naturally into her blog's titles and headings so search engines could better understand her content. She also cleaned up her website links and added image descriptions to make her blog easy to use and understand. Step 3. Technical SEO. Then, Zoe worked on technical SEO. She speeded up her website, made it work well on phones, and fixed broken links. She even added a sitemap to help search engines find her pages. Step 4. Content creation. Great content is important. Zoe wrote fun and helpful posts that her readers would love. She focused on creating useful content rather than posting too much. Step 5. Off-page optimization. To gain trust, Zoe worked with other bloggers. When they linked to her blog, it showed Google that her site was trustworthy and valuable. Step 6. Analytics and continuous improvement. Finally, Zoe tracked her progress. She looked at what worked and made improvements where needed. SEO is an ongoing journey, and Zoe was ready to keep learning. For analytics, she uses the Google Analytics tool. With her SEO skills, Zoe wrote a post that made it to Google's first page. People from all over the world found her blog and loved her recipes. SEO isn't just about keywords, it's about helping people find your content. Just like Zoe, you can use SEO to make your website stand out. Thank you so much everyone.